Good morning, afternoon, or evening for everyone who watched this presentation. Let us introduce ourselves. My name is Lingga.
My name is Trisna Sanjaya.
My name is Crisante Emanuela.
My name is Damasia Lianasari.
Nah, and we will presentation about how to learn English. Before we enter the core of this presentation, we must know what is English.
What is English? English is a universal language, and English is the most commonly spoken language in the all parts of the world, according to World Economic Forum site. And in Agenda 2019, there are 1.5 billion people who speak English, and less than 400 million use it as the first language, or I can say the native speaker of English, like these people, and then US people, Australian.
English have two English accent, two type of English accent. Well, there are a lot of English accent in the world. According to Linkhouse site, there are 160 district English dialect, but because there are a lot of them, we just talking about the most popular accent. That's it. That is in British and United States. British accent. What people commonly describe a British accent is actually called reserved pronunciation. The term describes the standard accent of standard English, and is generally spoken in the south of England. British English is the standard dialect of English spoken in the United Kingdom. This language is so spoken in countries that were once colonials of the British Empire, especially the Commonwealth of Nation. Sorry, that's my bad. Like Malaysia, Australia. For the example, British accent and at the United States accent, we say tiger is tiger, but British accent we say tiger like a tiger. For the example for British accent like that. Correct me before I wrong. United States accent. American English, something referred to as United States English, is a group of dialect of English that are widely spoken in the United States. About 2/3 of the world native English speaks live in the United States.
Language Study Planner. First, focus on what you can achieve every week. To achieve big goals, you need to create small change in your routine. That's why we recommend planning each week instead of a whole of the year. Number 2 is practice every day to get better. You will find a section on the time you to plan study and the time you actually achieve. These markers are here so that you can see wherever you meeting your target or if you need to take a little easier on yourself. Keep your goals in sight. There are 2 sections in the template inspired by to help you achieve your goals. Your objective is a big, ambitious goal and the reason why you're learning English. Learning English language.
Next, basic of learn English. First, tenses. Tenses or word forms are the most important and fundamental element for learning English. Tenses is a form of verb in English that is useful to show the condition when an event occurs. The time shown can be past, present or present and future. 2. Listening. Listening is one of the skills or abilities of the English language whose application to the listen to vocabulary in English sentence. By listening, you will indirectly be familiar with English terms and also to be able to understand what other people are saying when speaking in English. If listening has been mastered, then the basics of learning English that are important to master next are reading or reading. 3. Reading. By reading some text or sentence in English, such and producer text or descriptive text, it will make you more sensitive to the structure of words that are formed in English. From there, you will learn a lot of English vocabulary. Moreover, you will also get new vocabularies just by reading English text. For writing, after proficient in listening and reading, then the next is reading. Yes, reading is writing and certainly one of the basic in learning English. The reason is by reading in English, you can see how far your proficiency in English is. Reading in English will understand your ability to speak English, whether from grammar or word language. With that, you can improve it by practicing and practicing so that later the weakness is coverable and does not exist at all. Last, speaking.
Pardon me, next or next. Why we must learn English? First, English give you the opportunity to meet and make friends all around the world. Of course, they are speak the international language because that's the international language. And second, English is the most common used language of technology device and internet you use. If you pay attention, most of the technology device using English to name the various features they offer. And remember that more. I'm sorry, I will repeat it. Second, English is the most common used language of technology device and internet we use. If we pay attention of it, most of technology device using English to name the various features they offer. And remember, there are more than half of the content on the internet is also written in English language. Third, a lot of job and scholarship interview using English that the most commonly used language for the scholarship and interviewing job. Why? Because that the international language and most of the people use it. And then fourth, if we go around the world, we can speak with confidence. What does mean? What this does mean? This mean is if we travel to another country, like we go travel to the Malaysia and we can't speak English. I'm sorry, we can speak Malay language. We can use English because the people in Malaysia are commonly use English. Then,
Easily tips to learn English language. For the first is playing game. That's a tips for me from me because I can speak English and I can learn English language when I playing game. Before that, we don't know about like a new game, continue like a game over. Maybe before that we don't know what is the meaning of continue new game or something. And when I playing game with the English language for the option for that game, I'm playing the game and I learn the English language. And two, watch a film with the English subtitle, just like you watch a movie like a superhero movie, comedy movie or something. Maybe you before that maybe you use the subtitle like an Indonesian subtitle, but from now you will watch the movie with the English subtitle. And the three is listening music. Listening music like yeah you know lah like you can listen music and you can read that lyric and you can translate that and you got like a oh this lyric is that like a maybe for example like to the bone like a to the bone that's translated from to the bone like a sampai ke tulang. That's it.
I'm sorry. The is Indonesia, but I can tell it in English. The conclusion is learning English have a lot of benefit from the communicate to the other people around the world, and then you can get a new technique, new knowledges, like you can speak English with confidence, and then English itself is an international language that the French people in the world speak English. And then we done. Thank you for the
Thank you for the attention. That's just be our presentation. Maybe if we wrong, you can correct us. Thank you.